Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Circus Circus Hotel, Casino and Theme Park. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, family rooms, non-smoking rooms, Wi-Fi and a bar. This Las Vegas Strip hotel is 5 minutes drive from the Las Vegas Convention Center. It features Adventuredome, an indoor theme park with a large roller coaster, plus circus-themed acts. Circus Circus Splash Zone pool experience features a 50-foot waterslide tower with 3 slides, a splash pad water playground, shaded cabanas, hot tubs and 2 pools. At Circus Circus Las Vegas, each spacious non-smoking guest room is equipped with a cable TV. Circus Circus features 40,000 square feet of shopping at the Promenade. The Carnival Midway is also on site and boasts 200 popular and classic games for all ages. There is also an outdoor pool available and free parking. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.